Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, April the 4th, 2024. And in this additional, we have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber Block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. Alright. The first one I will start is the 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number 8303. 8303. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. 28 printed digits. 28. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 3 digits more. Should be an easy one. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, 28 should be a 0 stars. For 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. How about? Let me see. Okay, which number can I pick? Let me see which number I can pick. It ain't. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column now only to place level 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Let me see. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8. Okay, 4 missing numbers in this big square, and one of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the third row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Shoot me down. These 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, no. 2, 4, 7, okay. 1, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. 5, 5. 5, 5. 1, 4. Interesting. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so that row, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only 3 place level 3 should be here, or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 in the third row, no 3 there, the only place level 3 should be there. Alright, 7, 7, 7, 7. Need a 7 here. Need 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 place level 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Alright. Then 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this row, so no 1 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3, no, need to place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places level 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in the third column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Then let me see. 179. Okay. 179, 179. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 179, 179, 179, 179. And look, we have a 7 and a 9 in the second row, so no 7 and 9 in this box. 7 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 digit left should be the 1. Alright. 7, 9, and the 4 is missing here. So here 2 numbers are left. The 1 and the 9 are missing. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. 4 and the 7. Here, 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 247, 247, 247, okay. 247. 247, we have a 2 and a 4 in the middle row. No 2 and a 4 in this box. 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 7. Okay. 6, 6, okay. Let me think. 5. Well, 2 numbers left in the middle, in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in the third, last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. The 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next, so that's that column. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then let me see. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. And 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, let me see. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, let me see. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 1, 9, and come on. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 1 in the last row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes. In this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row. 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then, yeah, 9 and the 7. We have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 the missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 and 7, we have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and the 4, we have a 7 now in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the rest of the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there, finishes in 12 minutes. Well, 0 stars. Confirmed. Yeah. 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars puzzle. Well, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.